The possession. I heartily welcome to you for the fourth and important chapter. In this lesson, you will learn to construct sentences and practice orally about your possessive sentences. Really, it's your great responsibility to have proficiency in this chapter. To know possession. Possession means have. ಹೊಂದಿರುವುದು, ಪಡೆದಿರುವುದು, ಸ್ವಾಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು. There are three types of possession: present possession, past possession, and future possession. Present possession verbs are have, has. Past possession verb is had. Future possession verbs are shall have, will have. Meaning of present possession verbs. These possessive verbs do not express their meaning directly. They need the support of subject. Have ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೊಂದಿವೆ. Has ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. Present possession usage. You should follow these rules. These rules are very essential to have ability to communicate with others. Rule 1. I have, we have, you have. He has, she has. It has, they have. Once again. I have, we have, you have. He has, she has. It has, they have. Rule 2. There are two types of Rule 2. Type 1. I have not, we have not, you have not, he has not, she has not, it has not, they have not. Type 2. I do not have, we do not have, you do not have, he does not have, she does not have, it does not have, they do not have. Practice these rules in your conversation. Note: just by changing the subject, you are able to speak about possessive sentences. Practice type 2 sentences in Rule 2. I do not have, we do not have, you do not have, he does not have, she does not have, it does not have, they do not have. Practice yourselves just by changing the subject and objects. He has a class. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. He has a house. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. She has a car. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ ಇದೆ. ರಾಜು has a house. ರಾಜುಗೆ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. My father has a site. ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. My aunt has 2 daughters. ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು. ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್. ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಟೈಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಲ ಇದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ places. Okay. Practice orally. I have a class. I have a work. I have a brother. I have a sister. I have a car. I don't have a class. I don't have a work. I don't have a brother. I don't have sister. I don't have a car. He has class. He has work. He has brother. He has sister. He has car. He doesn't have class. He doesn't have work. He doesn't have brother. He doesn't have sister. Raju has class. Raju has work. Raju has brother. Raju has sister. Raju has car. Raju doesn't have class. Raju doesn't have work. Raju doesn't have brother. CM has meeting. CM has work. CM has brother. CM has sister. CM has car. Practice yourself. Just by changing the subject, you are able to speak fluently. Asking question 1. If you want to ask questions, you should go with these rules. These rules are very, very important. Rule 3. Type 1. What have I? What have we? What have you? What has he? What has she? What has it? What have they? Generally, we use type 2. What do I have? What do we have? What do you have? What does he have? What does she have? What does it have? What do they have? Once again, type 2. What do I have? What do we have? What do you have? What does he have? What does she have? What does it have? What do they have? Rule 4. Type 1. What have I not? What have we not? What have you not? What has he not? What has she not? What has it not? What have they not? Generally, we use type 2. What do I not have? What do we not have? What do you not have? What does he not have? What does she not have? What does it not have? What do they not have? Once again. What do I not have? What do we not have? What do you not have? What does he not have? What does she not have? What does it not have? What do they not have? Got it? Practice orally. What does Ravi have? What does Rani have? What does your father have? What does your aunt have? What does my brother have? Where does Rani have class? Where does Rani have class? Where does Raju have class? Where does your father have class? Why does Rani have class? Why does your father have class? Why does your aunt have class? Why does my brother have class? Who has class? Who has work? Who has house? Who has sight? Who does not have class? Who doesn't have work? Who doesn't have house? Who doesn't have sight? Where do you have class? Where do you have work? Where do you have house? Where do you have sight? Where do you have bike? How many classes does Raju have? How many houses does Raju have? How many sites does Raju have? With whom does Ravi have class? With whom does Ravi have work? With whom does Ravi have meeting? With whom does Ravi have program? Like this, you may practice any persons. You may practice with any persons, but you should aware about the structures. Asking question 2. Rule 5. Type 1. Have I, have we, have you, has he, has she, has it, have they. Basically, we go with type 2. Do I have, do we have, do you have, does he have, does she have, does it have, do they have. Once again, do I have, do we have, do you have, does he have, does she have, does it have, do they have. You should practice these rules. These rules are very, very important. Rule 6. Have I not, have we not, have you not, has he not, has she not, has it not, have they not. Type 1. Type 2. Do I not have, do we not have, do you not have, does he not have, does she not have, does it not have, do they not have. Once again, repeat after me. Do I not have, do we not have, do you not have, does he not have, does she not have, does it not have, do they not have. Got it? You should practice all these 6 rules. These 6 rules are very, very important to enrich your language ability, to enrich your speaking ability. Practice orally. Do I have class? Do I have work? Do I have brother? Do I have sister? Do I have bike? Do I not have class? Do I not have work? Do I not have brother? Do I not have sister? Do I not have bike? Does he have class? Does he have work? Does he have brother? Does he have sister? Does he not have class? Does he not have work? Does he not have brother? Does he not have sister? Does Ravi have class? Does Ravi have work? Does Ravi have brother? Does Ravi have sister? Does Rani have class? Does Rani have work? Does Rani have brother? Does Rani have sister? Does my father have class? Does my father have work? Does my father have brother? Does my father have sister? Does my father have bike? Does my uncle have class? Does my uncle have work? Does my uncle have brother? Does my uncle have sister? Does Chief Minister have meeting? Does Chief Minister have work? Does Chief Minister have brother?